Amid escalating tensions with China, the United States has recently given its approval for a potential arms sale of $619 million to Taiwan. The deal includes several hundred missiles for F-16 fighter jets. On March 1, 2023, the proposed sale of F-16 missiles and related equipment were officially notified to the U.S. Congress by the Biden administration. The timing's important here, since it comes just days after Michael Chase, the Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense, who's responsible for China-related issues at the Pentagon, visited Taiwan. This move has drawn strong criticism from China. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why China is wary of the U.S. giving AGM-88B HARM and AIM-120C-8 AMRAAM to Taiwan. Let's get into the details. A news release from the U.S. Defense Security Cooperation Agency stated that the munitions that will likely be sold to Taiwan include 100 AGM-88B high-speed anti-radiation missiles, 23 HARM training missiles, 200 AIM-120C-8 advanced medium-range air-to-air missiles, 4 AIM-120C-8 AMRAAM guidance sections, and 26 LAU-129 multi-purpose launchers. A State Department official said the potential sale is consistent with the Taiwan Relations Act and our long-standing One China policy, wherein the United States makes available to Taiwan defense articles and services necessary to enable it to maintain a sufficient self-defense capability. The official noted Taiwan will use its own funds for the purchase. The official said, "The United States' support to Taiwan and steps Taiwan takes to enhance its self-defense capabilities contribute to the maintenance of peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait and within the region." The AGM-88 HARM, or High-Speed Anti-Radiation Missile, is an air-to-surface tactical missile designed to seek and destroy enemy radar-equipped air defense systems. It can detect, attack, and destroy a target with minimum aircrew input. The proportional guidance system that hones in on enemy radar emissions has a fixed antenna and seeker head in the missile nose. A smokeless, solid propellant booster sustainer rocket motor propels the missile at speeds of over Mach 2.0. It carries a 66-kilogram or 146-pound blast fragmentation warhead and can hit a target at a max range of around 150 kilometers or 93 miles. During the Russian aggression in Ukraine, the U.S. supplied AGM-88 HARM missiles to Ukraine. As per various reports, it's been pretty successful in disrupting Russian defenses, even though the missile is launched from Soviet-era jets that are not fully compatible with it. AIM-120D Advanced Medium-Range Air-to-Air Missile, AMRAAM, is a very capable, all-weather missile manufactured by Raytheon. Several variants of the AMRAAM have been manufactured. The AIM-120C has smaller control surfaces to enable internal carriage on the FA-22 aircraft and carries an improved warhead. AIM-120C-8, also known as AIM-120D, is a development of the AIM-120C. It includes a two-way data link, superior navigation through GPS-enhanced inertial measurement unit, a much larger no-escape zone, and improved high-angle off-bore sight capability, apart from an increase in range by 50%. The missile receives information about the location of the targets from the aircraft before its launch. The onboard active radar with inertial navigation system, INS, makes the missile less dependent on the aircraft's fire control radar and integrates a data link to guide the missile. Once the missile closes to self-homing distance, the active radar guides it toward the target. This feature provides fire-and-forget capability to the missile and allows the pilot to fire a number of missiles simultaneously at multiple targets. Its range is thought to be about 160 kilometers or 100 miles. Taiwan will receive 66 new American-made F-16V fighter jets in the coming few years. The deal was finalized in 2020, and it's the biggest arms sale to the self-governing island in years. Also, Taiwan is upgrading its fleet of older variants of F-16 to V standard locally as part of the Phoenix Rising program. Taiwan has developed indigenous facilities that can be used to conduct maintenance and repairs. This will eliminate the need to send the fighters to the United States for upgrades and repairs. It plans to upgrade 141 fighters to the newer version by this year. The latest F-16V standard has the Northrop Grumman AN/APG-83 Scalable Agile Beam Radar (SABRE), which is a multi-function active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar. Other updates include new mission computers, an improved electronic warfare suite, modern avionics, and the ability to integrate precision-guided weapons. The addition of these has made the F-16 a very potent platform, even against more recently developed fighters. Taiwan's Defense Ministry said in a statement that the Air Force has full combat capabilities in the two types of missiles that the United States agreed to sell this time, adding, "Besides allowing us to effectively defend our airspace against provocations from the communist military, it also helps us stock weapons and boost our defensive resilience." The statement further added, "The provision of defensive weapons to our country is the basis for preserving regional peace, and the Ministry of National Defense expresses our sincere gratitude to the United States." After the upgrades, Taiwan will have around 200 F-16V. The platform will be an excellent launch pad for AGM-88 HARM and AIM-120C-8. It's no surprise that China is wary of this. A Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson said the U.S. should cease arms sales to and military contacts with Taiwan. Spokesman Mao Ning said in a press briefing, "The U.S. arms sales seriously undermine China's sovereignty and security interests, Sino-U.S. relations, and peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait."
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.